Are you still searching for the right information in Business Central, or are you already working with automated processes? Many teams in IT business or service providers struggle every day with Excel imports, manual calculations, and recurring tasks. Although there's a smart solution for all of this. That's exactly why we developed the DYCE Business Suite, our Swiss Army knife for Microsoft 365 Business Central. The Business Suite combines many years of our experience in over 70 smart features. Those features bring more efficiency and more speed in your ERP day-to-day work. Are you curious what that looks like? Let me show you. Let's start with the role center. This is where every workday begins, and often where the searching starts. Our DYCE cockpit brings clarity. With individually configurable tiles, you see exactly the KPIs you need. Dynamic filters bring relevant data directly to the screen. And thanks to the traffic light system, you instantly recognize where everything is running smoothly and where action is needed. One click is all it takes to jump to the right record. No detours, no submenus. The first impression counts, especially in sales. With the DYCE Business Suite, you design quotes flexibly and professionally. Text can be individually adjusted, and you can even insert images. Our document layouts are ready to use immediately and grow with your requirements. A quote for hardware, services, and licenses can become huge. With the Business Suite, you can import external quotes and structure even complex sales quotes clearly. And the most important thing for every salesperson, margin calculation directly in a sales line. You immediately see what's in it for you, securing both your commission and the deal's profitability. Let's take a look at purchasing. Maintaining price lists manually, that's far too time-consuming and error-prone. With the DYCE Business Suite, you simply upload vendor data into the system. Existing items are updated, new items are created automatically. Fast, clean, always up to date. And to ensure nothing gets lost, our document tracking offers full visibility of a sales order's entire history. Which documents belong together? What's the delivery status? Everything is transparent for the entire team. Finally, a highlight for process reliability. With our process status feature, you automate your workflows. To give you an example, once a document is released, a workflow can be automatically triggered via Microsoft Power Automate. This could be a message in Microsoft Teams or information that is forwarded to an external system. The best thing, you can configure your desired workflows yourself with Power Automate. With over 1,000 certified connectors and AI-infused actions, your processes become even smarter. The DYCE Business Suite is more than just a collection of features. It is the efficiency upgrade for your Business Central. Less manual work, fewer mistakes, and more time for what really matters. Do you want to know how the Business Suite simplifies your workflow? Visit our website, test the solution in a sandbox for free, or directly book a personal demo with us. We're excited to make your daily business more efficient.